sailing along and light breeze. There's San Francisco over there. And let's see what we see over here. There's Nancy at the helm. She doesn't seem to want to be photographed too much, but she's doing a good job. We're heading out towards the Bay Bridge. There's the Bay Bridge through the cockpit. Dodger window there. And here's the Bay Bridge with San Francisco behind it. We got an ebb tide that's carrying us along at about 2.5 knots here. So we're probably going the wrong way. We should probably go against the current. But anyway, that's what we're doing.